Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use C Glow Face Toner. This powerful product can truly transform your skin, but proper application is key. Before you begin, always make sure your face is freshly cleansed and completely dry. This ensures that the toner can penetrate effectively and prepare your skin for the next steps in your routine. Think of it as setting the perfect canvas for your skincare masterpiece. Now, let's talk application. You'll want to dispense a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, onto a clean cotton pad. Gently sweep this across your entire face and neck, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. For a more eco-friendly approach, you can also pour a few drops into your clean palms and gently pat the toner directly onto your skin until absorbed. This method helps reduce product waste. Regarding frequency, most people find success using C Glow Toner once or twice daily. If you have sensitive skin, starting with once a day is a good idea. Applying it in the morning can provide an extra layer of antioxidant protection against daily environmental stressors. Remember, toner is just one step. Always follow up with your favorite serum and a good moisturizer to lock in hydration and maximize benefits. To truly maximize your C Glow Toner's benefits and achieve radiant results, a few extra tips are essential. First, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every single day, especially when using vitamin C products. Also, consider doing a patch test on a small area of skin first to ensure no irritation occurs. Finally, store your toner in a cool, dark place to preserve its powerful ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.